Well, we definitely got hit, and this is our back step. The snow, the free falling snow, is right up to our back step. And so this is 7:30 in the morning and it's still coming down. And same thing with our front step. It's like you can't even see our next step down. This is like a crazy amount of snow. Happy February. Almost Valentine's Day tomorrow.